Welcome back to Auto Update. Humle hain ek az Ferrari Giusedecta high adrenaline pump hona shiru ho jada high. Nam high 2025 Ferrari SF90 Stradale ek az hybrid supercar jo future ka taste steady high, leaking Ferrari ke classic DNA ke sath. Ferrari SF90 Stradale ko ban 8 watt surf speed pe focus nahi kia, borki technology, efficiency or control ke ha aspect ke master kan ki koshish ki high. Is Carmine Upco Milta High 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine jo produce Kada High 769 horsepower. Leaking Kahani Yahi Kadam Nahi Hodi, Sath High is me multi-hain electric motors do front axle PE or ek rear PE jo extra 217 horsepower generate Kadi Hain. Combined output Hojada High ek mind-blowing 986 horsepower. Itna power Jishi spaceship mind be Nahi Hoda. Acceleration ki bat Karine to SF90 Stradale 0 so 100 km per hour surf 2.5 seconds mine cross Kadi high. Or Agar AAP Thoda or Daring Ho to 200 km per hour taki surf 6.7 seconds mine pa hooch jadi high. Top speed high lagbag 340 km per hour, pa Ferrari ka Kenna high ke is car ka aslim magic surf speed mine nahi, control mine high. Is car ka name SF90 ka MATLAB high Scuderia Ferrari 90 years, Joe Ferrari ka 90 Sal ka racing legacy ko salute Kada high. Stradale ka MATLAB Hoda high for the road leaking jab AAP isse drive Kadi ho to isa lagda high J's track pa ho. Exterior design pura aerodynamic high. Sleek LED headlights, sculpted bonnet, sharp side profiles or aggressive rear diffuser is car ko ek purposeful stansdeed hain. Ferrari any form ke sath function ko be equally balanced Kia high. Active aerodynamic system high speed pa automatically adjust hoda high, jisa drag cam hoda high or downforce bar da high. Interior mind bar high catch or high. Upco Milta high 16-inch curved digital instrument cluster, touch-based controls or ek fighter jet style steering wheel. SAB Kutch driver ke comfort or performance focus ke hisabsa design Kia Gaya high. Is Carmine traditional gear lever nahi hoda instead Upco Milta high ek F1 inspired gear selector toggle. Leather, carbon fiber or Alcantara ka high quality combo cabin ko sporty or luxurious banata high. Driving modes B is car ka ek highlight hain. Upco Milti hain e-drive, hybrid, performance or qualify modes. E-drive mode surf electric power Sachalta high or lagbag 25 km ka range dita high perfect for quiet city cruising. Hybrid mode mine car could decide Kadi high cab engine chalo hoga or cab motors. Performance or qualify modes mine pura engine or motors ka combo unleash hoda high, Jahan car apna full potential Ducati high. Chassis mine Ferrari any lightweight aluminum or carbon fiber ka use Kia high, Jisi overall weight optimized hoda high. Magnetic suspension system hard bump or corner PE real-time adjust hoda high, Taka ride comfortable B ho or sporty B. Braking system B is car ki strength high. Carbon ceramic brakes ensure Kadi hain ki AAP Gishi B speed PE ho, car turant rucksack bin a balance lose kaya. Electric motors front axle PE hone ki waja sir SF90 all-wheel drive high, Joe Ferrari ki traditional rear-wheel drive setup sir ek bold step high. Leaking Iska result high unmatched grip or stability. 2025 version mine Kutch subtle updates Daige hain. Ferrari any battery cooling system KO or efficient Benaya high, software tweaks Kaya Gay hain Taki electric to engine transition or smooth ho, or Naya wheel design option at Kia Gaya high Jo car KE overall look KO next level takla Jada high. Is car KO price tag around $500,000 KEA's Paz Hodi high, leaking Ferrari lovers KE Liya Yi surf ek car nahi Yi ek statement high. Ek hybrid future KA symbol, Bina apni sol KO compromise Kaya. SF90 Stradale surf ek machine nahi high Yi ek evolution high. Ferrari any Dakaya high Ki future electric ho sector high, leaking thrill ABB possible high. Agar AAP ek AZ car chart ho jo tradition or innovation dono Ka perfect blend ho, to SF90 Stradale upkaliya high. Agar upko yi video pa and ayi ho to like kana na buline, auto update ko subscribe Karine or comment section mine badiane KIAP Ferrari Ki kiss model ko review mine dekna chahanch. Milti hain agal video mine ek or high performance beast Ki sath.